To fix Wi-Fi option not showing on Windows 10 or 11. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In today's video we're going to see how you can fix if you don't have this Wi-Fi option showing. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 4 ways that you can fix this problem. The first thing is you have to check if there is any problem with your hardware. For that you have to type in CMD here and run it as administrator. Click on yes. So if you want to check if your hardware is working properly, then you just want to type in ping space 127.1.1.1 and hit enter. And if you get a reply like this, then that means everything is fine and your hardware is working completely fine. So it's not the problem with your hardware. Now the second thing that you can do to fix it is go ahead and open up your run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R. And here you are just going to search for services.msc. And once you do that, hit enter. And here let me just maximize this, and here you just have to find WLAN autoconfig. So for that I'm just going to click on anything and type in WLAN. So right here, WLAN autoconfig, you are just going to right click on it, and if it's not running then you just want to start this. Right now it's running on my PC, so I don't need to start it, but if it's not, you just click on this start. And after that, click on properties and make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. If it's on manual or disabled, make sure to set it automatic and click on apply, then OK. And the third method is to again open up your run dialog box, and here you are going to check your connection. So for this you just need to type in inet cpl.cpl, click enter, and this dialog box will pop up right here. From here you just want to head over to advanced and click on restore advanced settings. Click on OK and then you're good to go. So the final method that you need to do is update your drivers. For that you just right click on your Windows. From here you can open up your task manager, and once your task manager is open, all you have to do now is check if the apps that uses internet are working properly or not. Then you're just going to open up your device manager from here. So go ahead and open device manager and find your wireless adapter. So I'm just going to go ahead and click right here on my network adapters, and this is my wireless network adapter. If you're facing a problem with this, you will see a little exclamation sign right here besides this icon. Just right click on it, disable it once, and then enable it once again. After doing that, give your PC a quick restart and you should be good to go. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.